welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jadi. Do not forget to hit that post notification so you know when I upload a video, which is 3 times a week. Also, don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, share, like, give it a big thumbs up. So yeah guys, today I just wanted to do a full face of using products that I haven't used yet, that are new, that I did like hauls on already. So yeah, so let's just get started. I don't want to ramble, so let's just get started and jump right into the video. All right guys, so first I did my brows off camera because you guys know it would take me forever if I did my brows on camera. And also if you hear any noise, I apologize, but my husband's playing video games and he gets a little upset sometimes. He kind of shouts out like he had Tourette's. So if you hear a little bit yelling, it's because of him. So I'm sorry and I apologize because of that. So I'm cleaning my brows up and I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Satin Finish, which by the way, I'm loving this concealer so much. I do my eyes first. I do my brows, then my eyes, and then my makeup and my face. I'm going to grab this e.l.f. brush, my holy grail, and I'm just going to blend that in nicely and gently, and just going to pat it in. So I'm gonna use this palette today. It's called the Neon Bright, and it has so many beautiful colors. If I can open it. Like so pretty, and I legit don't know what colors to use. So I'm just like, oh, I don't know what to do. Okay, so while I'm thinking of that, and while I'm thinking of what shadows I'm gonna use, I'm also gonna use these brushes that I got from 5 and Below, the Chique Pro highlighter brush and the crease brush, and also an e.l.f. crease brush as well. So I'm gonna use these brushes today as well. I haven't used them yet. With this color that's kind of like a cream, kind of white type of color, I'm gonna do that color, and I'm gonna go that color all over the lid. I'm gonna do this red. I've never really done red, and I love this red for some odd reason. I'm gonna do this on the crease. So I'm gonna put that like where I want it in the crease and as a little transition, and then I'm going to apply kind of like dark brown right here on the outer crease, and then I'm going to add some of this silver gray right here. So I'm gonna use those 2 colors. So let's see how it's gonna come out, how it's gonna turn out, guys. Ooh, so pretty. But you see how the color just, so I just want to start packing it on to where I want it, and then I'll blend it in. Then I'm gonna grab this black one. So what I'm gonna do like one eye, and then the other eye I'll do off camera, just so this video won't be so long and take forever. So I'm gonna use now the e.l.f. crease brush. Also, this brush is more, it's like a little more fluffier, so I feel like it's smaller. You can get really into the crease that you really want. I'm gonna add that silver color that we were gonna add. I'm gonna add in the center, right there. It's so pretty, so pretty. Wow. So I'm gonna do the other eye, and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm done. I did have a lot of fallout, like legit had a lot of fallout on my face, but that's okay. For colors, you have, you know, spring, you have Easter, you have, you know, you have dark colors, light colors. So I really love this palette. I think you can use it for many events, many day and night look, whatever you want. So I really like the way this look came out. I'm gonna use, since I have that silver and it's not really showing I think I'm gonna use this LA Color Shimmering eyeshadow with this eyeshadow, and it's in Snow White. We're going to use this Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer infused with juicy watermelon and fresh cucumber. And I did a review on this, guys, a haul, so if you guys want to check that out. And this, it looks like this. It's so pretty. And I am just going to, oh my god, it's so pretty. This foundation is from Flower Light Illusion Luminous Makeup All Day Wear with SPF 18. It makes your skin look, supposedly makes your skin look like it's your skin, like it's glowing within. It's just your natural glow. So Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel All Day Wear Broad Spectrum 18 SPF 18 foundation that can protect you from the sun when you're outside. And this foundation, it looks like you can put it light, you know, you can probably build it up a little bit if you want. So we're gonna see it today if it's buildable and how it feels on the skin. And I can't wait, like I just want to use it. Also I got the Flower Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer, Weightless Feel, and Crease Proof. It doesn't crease, so let's see how that is. They didn't have a lighter color than this, so this is the only one that I picked up. Just so I wanted to try it. If anything, I'll mix a little bit of the Elf Camel, whatever one, over just to kind of brighten the skin a little bit. So yeah, let's check this out, guys. Let's get it on and pop it. So I usually spot correct, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna put this foundation and let's just get started. Okay, I did 2 pumps, and I like the fact that it has a pump. Amazing. So I really have high hopes for this. So let's see what's up. I am then going to blot it on my face. If you see me squinting, it's because I legit, guys, you guys already know. You guys already know. Let me not bore you guys with I can't see Jody. So anyways, I'm just going to go in. Wow. And I'm not going to go under there because that's for the concealer, you know. I feel like when I notice, like, if you put foundation under your eyes, guys, and then you put concealer, just remember you're packing product over product. You know what I'm saying? Like, you want your face to look as nice and beautiful and seamless as possible. And especially if you have lines under there, you don't want any product building up, any creasing under there, you know. You see how already this brush already made it a difference. My skin looks so nice and luminous. You guys, let me get a little closer right there. That is the like one layer. And you see how my skin looks luminous, it looks hydrated, it looks like it's my skin, like legit my skin. And I really like this, it's really pretty. Love the dewiness. But I'm gonna do one more layer just because I want to see if we can build it up. And I'm gonna go in with 2 more pumps. Now we're gonna go in with the Full Coverage Non-Crease Concealer. So it is, see how it's a little darker? Well, it actually kind of matches my skin a little bit. Get my Airspun, and I'm going to add some coverage, not coverage, but you know, seal that up. Grab a little bit, add it right there. I'm just gonna use this Contour LA Color Face Palette, which I've been loving a lot. Haven't been using my Take Home the Bronze, but I gotta get that one back out. I love my Take Home the Bronze. I can't live without that. Okay. yeah, I was like figuring out like what I'm gonna film, and you know, lately I've just taken days, like I haven't really been consistent because it's been like I've been tired from like work. Like sometimes I feel like waking up early and filming a video, but like guys, I love my sleep. I'm sorry, I'm not even gonna lie. I like to sleep, okay? I like my sleep, and I wake up during the weekends. I wake up early. For blush, I'm going to use my Tarte blush in Quirky, and we are just going to pack some of that on the cheek. I'm gonna keep it nice and simple. I don't want to be too, the eyes are already so, you know, but I don't want to, I do not. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to set my skin with my matte finish prime and fine anti-shine fixing spray from Catrice Cosmetics. Highlighting brush, see how this applies. It does apply very nice. Do the lower lashes now, guys. I'm gonna go be very careful because I do not want, legit don't want no fallout. And I'm gonna go in with that pink that we first went in with, pink, red, whatever color. And I'm gonna start. And I'm gonna go really, really like tight into the, because I really don't want it to like really move and get messed up. Really keep it there, really tight. Oh God. Go back to that brown a little bit and do the corner here. Sorry guys, I'm like really being precise here. See that? And then go back in with the purple, and with the pink, and just blend it all together. Just blend it all, guys. And I like it because it kind of gave it a little, I don't know, it just gave it a little, like sultry, I don't know. And see how you went, if I went a little bit down, that's okay. I feel like it looks nice, it looks pretty, it makes it look a little bit more. And add it to the inner corner of the eye because it gives it a little, all right, this gives it a little pop better. Yeah, I like this better because the look is so dark. Okay. My Voluminized Fiber Essence What the Fake Voluminizing and Lengthening Mascara. This is new from Essence. It was only like $3.99, I think, or $4.99. Never tried it before, so let's see how this works. I've been wearing glasses. I don't really wear falsies as much as when I didn't have contact, when I didn't have my glasses. I'm going to go in with since I'm going with this, and I'm gonna line my lips, fill them in, and then go over with a nude.